Okay, good afternoon, Medicine. Okay. This is Professor David J. Destroyers. What I will be presenting to you this afternoon will be the proper way on how to cut a pineapple, the proper way in how to expedite the slicing of this one or the cubing of this one. You see it, guys? I cut the end portion, top and bottom portion. Then I cut the three remaining body into three pieces. Okay? So this is actually the way how Dolly Pineapple do the cubing of their pineapple products. So it is something like this, you see. So I slice one portion into four. Okay, 4 chunks. Then I'll try to cut the hard portion of the middle. Right? So the remaining thing here to get the cube pineapple is just to remove the skin, right? Originally, when people are still very poor, they try to remove the skin very thin. And what remains is actually the eye of the pineapple. But now, the modern thing is just to slice the skin, okay, without any, what do you call this, the heads of the skin remaining. So, one slice, no more, no more holes that remains, right? See, when I slice the skin, I make it a point that the eyes of the skin will, there will be no more left on the body of the skin, the pineapple. Okay, so this is ready to be sliced so we could eat it. So upon removing the skin, I could slice this one into thin slices. Okay, and this is now ready to be eaten. Okay, it is just something like that. So when you try to remove the skin, make the cutting as thick as possible, so no more ice that remains on the body of the pineapple. So we could expedite the slicing of this one without wasting any time. You see, when I remove the skin, no more heads or the eyes of the skin, no more left on the body. Okay. So I am almost done with 1/3 of the pineapple. Okay. I didn't waste any time removing the eyes on the skin because when I cut it, I make it a point that there will be no more eyes that remains on the body. Because we don't want to eat the eyes of the skin on the body, right? That's very rough. So right now, this is ready to be eaten, right? And we do it as fast as we can. So this one, I will be putting it on a trash. Then I'll go with the other one, next one. Did you see me, guys? Right? On the next body, I will cut this one into 4, right? I will cut this one into 4 again. Then since the middle portion is actually very hard, we try to cut it one. Okay? We cut it. And we are ready to remove the skin. Again, like what I said, if you try to remove the skin, make it as thick as possible, but try to minimize the wastage, because if your cutting is very thick, okay, there will be no more left on the body. So when I cut it, okay, you see it, the eyes are gone, right? So this is ready to be sliced, to be. Okay, I try one piece. It's so sweet already. So I'm almost done with the second part. You see, I still got a little eye, but it's not so dirty. We can live with that one. Again, I remove the skin, no more eyes, so I will be ready to slice this one. And again, it will be ready to be eaten. You see? No more eyes. No more eyes. The flesh of the pineapple is actually without no more eyes, you know. We don't eat the eyes. And again, I will try to dispose this one. And I am the third portion. So actually, I'm almost done with the cubing or the slicing of the pineapple the fastest way we can, you know, without any delay. So I'll be removing the middle portion. It's hard. We don't eat that one. If you want to eat it, you could eat it. But if your teeth is not so good, don't ever try eating it, you know. Okay. So I remove the middle part, which is very hard to eat. Then I'm ready to remove the skin. The maximum possible that will be removed without consuming the whole body, right? Because we want something to be left for us to eat, you know. Okay. I'm almost done. So again, I will be removing the skin. Okay. There are some eyes, but the eyes are still clean now, so we could live with it, you know. Because the eyes of the skin is actually very deep, but it's not so dirty to eat. We could live with that one. Right? Like this one here, there is still some black portion. I could remove that one. Okay. These are just marks. It's not the eye portion, so actually we could live with that one, you know. On the last portion already. So actually, I slice this pineapple here without any delay. And what I'm showing you is actually the right way on how to expedite and slicing or cleaning of pineapple. If you want to put it in a container and place it in the refrigerator for you to eat. So actually I'm done with the slicing of the pineapple. And as you could see, guys, you see it? It's very clean and this is ready to be eaten. Okay. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. de los Reyes. What I presented is the proper way or the expeditious way on how to clean a pineapple if you want to slice it and ready to be eaten. Okay, good afternoon from Los Angeles.